In Wix ADI, you can easily integrate different apps in your web page or website as well. In order to do that, you can go to add right over here, and over here you can see that there's apps as an option. So the default app which is actually added in is a chat, as you can see right here, which you can access if you go to preview right over here. So once you go to preview, you can see that there's a less chat section. So the users are able to come in and say something like hi, just like that, as you can see right over here. So that's one of the app that is interactive features in your web page. So similarly, you can go and add in online stores, blogs, bookings, pricing plan. So there are a lot of things right over here which you're going to see more about in future lessons as well. So once you have added in an app, you can open this out right over here, and then you can see that this is right over here, and you can customize it according to what you want. For example, you can change the title right over here. For example, messages and so forth. You can change this out, and you can type in any message right over here just like that. You can add an image and so forth. You can also open up your inbox or download a mobile app to work around with the chat box right over here. So similarly, you can add in other apps right over here. So let's say, for example, you go to apps, you're going to add something. Let's say, for example, the pricing plan. Let's add that in right over here. And then the pricing plan will be added in, which is another app right over here. So you can see right over here. So users are able to select the pricing plan right over here. And you can choose like what you can do with that particular app. So you can choose the pricing plan, start free trial right over here. You can have the titles right over here, as you can see, taglines and so forth, and work around with this. So the apps are an interactive feature of your website, just like that. So that is how you can integrate apps inside of Wix ADI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.